2026 Toyota Motorhome is redefining the world of adventure and travel with innovation, style and comfort that truly set it apart from anything the company has produced before. Toyota has combined decades of engineering excellence with futuristic design philosophy to create a vehicle that isn't just a mode of travel. It's a moving luxury home designed for modern explorers. From the outside, it captures attention with its aerodynamic body lines, LED lighting accents, and sleek proportions that make it look more like a premium SUV than a bulky motorhome. Toyota's designers have focused on crafting a balance between mobility and elegance, ensuring that this motorhome feels equally at home in city environments as it does on rugged mountain roads. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that blends a 3.5-litre V6 engine with Toyota's latest solid-state battery technology, offering exceptional fuel efficiency without compromising power. It produces around 420 horsepower, providing a smooth yet commanding drive even when fully loaded. The motorhome also includes Toyota's new regenerative energy recovery system, ensuring that every downhill drive helps recharge the onboard battery packs. The driving experience feels surprisingly agile, thanks to adaptive suspension, electric steering assistance, and terrain response systems that automatically adjust based on road conditions. Whether you're navigating highways or off-road trails, the Toyota Motorhome maintains stability, confidence, and control like no other in its class. Stepping inside reveals an interior that feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. Toyota's engineers have created a space that prioritizes comfort, flexibility, and luxury. The living area features panoramic smart windows that adjust tint automatically to maintain temperature and privacy. Plush seating converts seamlessly into sleeping areas, with premium materials such as vegan leather, bamboo wood panels, and ambient LED lighting creating a cozy yet futuristic atmosphere. The 2026 model includes a full kitchenette equipped with an induction cooktop, a compact refrigerator, and an automated water purification system, allowing travelers to prepare meals anywhere without compromise. The smart home integration is one of the most remarkable aspects of this motorhome. Through Toyota's HomeLink Plus system, every feature of the vehicle can be controlled through voice or touch using an onboard tablet or smartphone app. You can adjust lighting, check energy levels, control climate zones, and even deploy the automatic awning with a simple command. The AI assistant embedded within the system learns user habits over time, optimizing temperature before you wake up, recommending charging stops, and managing energy distribution between driving and living needs. This digital ecosystem makes the Toyota Motorhome a true blend of technology and comfort on wheels. In terms of sleeping arrangements, the motorhome offers multiple configurations to suit different needs. The main suite includes a queen-sized bed with a memory foam mattress, hidden storage underneath, and mood lighting that simulates sunrise to help regulate sleep patterns. Additional fold-out bunks and convertible sofas can accommodate up to 6 people comfortably, making it ideal for families or groups of travelers. Every inch of the space has been designed with practical luxury in mind, ensuring no room feels cramped despite the compact footprint. The bathroom setup is equally impressive. It features a full shower with adjustable water pressure, an eco-flush toilet, and a smart mirror that displays weather forecasts and navigation updates while you get ready. Toyota's water recycling system reuses up to 60% of grey water after filtration, allowing for extended off-grid living. Pair this with the integrated solar roof panels, which can generate up to 2.5 kilowatts of power, and you have a motorhome capable of sustained independence, far from civilization. Safety has always been a Toyota hallmark, and the 2026 motorhome is equipped with the brand's latest Guardian Plus safety suite. It includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic braking, and even fatigue detection that alerts the driver if signs of drowsiness are detected. The vehicle's 360-degree camera system ensures precise maneuvering, while an automatic leveling system stabilizes the cabin when parked on uneven ground. These features collectively make long-distance travel safer, smoother, and stress-free. Connectivity is another key strength. The motorhome supports 5G network access, satellite internet, and Wi-Fi sharing capabilities, ensuring passengers remain connected no matter how remote their journey. Entertainment options include a 45-inch retractable OLED display, a premium surround sound system by JBL, and immersive VR compatibility for an entirely new kind of on-road experience. With Toyota's attention to detail, even downtime feels like a moment of luxury. Toyota has also placed a strong emphasis on sustainability. The materials used throughout the motorhome are eco-certified and recyclable, reducing environmental impact. The hybrid electric system and solar augmentation significantly cut emissions compared to traditional diesel motorhomes. Toyota's long-term vision aligns with creating not just vehicles, but sustainable living solutions for the future generation of travelers who want adventure without guilt. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome is more than just a luxury vehicle. It represents freedom, innovation, and self-sufficiency. It's built for those who crave exploration but refuse to sacrifice comfort and style. From the seamless integration of AI to its eco-friendly performance and elegant craftsmanship, this vehicle stands as a statement of what the future of travel looks like. Toyota has managed to blend technology, sustainability, and human-centered design into a single masterpiece that invites you to turn every journey into a homecoming. Whether you're setting out across open deserts, climbing mountain passes, or camping by serene lakesides, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome ensures that the world truly feels like your home on wheels.